हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज के इस वीडियो में हम लोग देखेंगे किस तरीके से एक स्फेरिकल ग्लास जो है उसको हम लोग कन्वेक्स एंड कनकेव लेंस में बदल सकते हैं। प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस क्या है, अपर्चर क्या है, ऑप्टिकल सेंटर क्या है, फोकल लेंथ क्या है, इन सब चीज़ों को हम लोग जानेंगे। तो बिना देर के हम लोग क्लास स्टार्ट करते हैं। अगर आप हमारे इस चैनल पर नए हैं तो इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, जिससे आने वाला हर एक नया नोटिफिकेशन आप तक आसानी से पहुंच सके, और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना ना भूलें। तो लेट अस स्टार्ट द क्लास। Spherical lenses. Spherical lenses. This is the spherical glass ball. A spherical, transparent, solid, a spherical transparent glass. ओके, आप यहां पर एक कट लगाएं, मेक अ कट एंड ज्वाइन दीज टू साइड्स। लाइक दिस, एंड ज्वाइन टू साइड्स मेकिंग अपोजिट surfaces like this. This is the convex lens, this is the convex lens, and this is the concave lens. Very simple. This is the convex surface and this is the concave surface. This is thicker at middle, thicker at middle, and thinner at edge, thinner at edge. So this will become convex lens, and in this thinner at middle and thicker at edge. So this is concave lens. So there are two type of lens which is formed by the spherical glass, or so many types, but in this video we will discuss about convex and concave lens. So in convex lens, thicker at middle and thinner at edge. In concave lens, thinner at middle and thicker at edge. Okay, this is convex lens is the converging lens, and this is diverging lens. So these are the two types of lens formed by the spherical mirror. Now study one by one. Convex lens. This is a convex lens, and this is the line passing in the middle of the lens. This is the optical center. This is F. This is F dash. F and F dash are two foci of the convex lens. L and L dash, this is the aperture of the lens. Now see one by one. First is L dash is aperture, that is aperture of the lens, that is total effective width of the lens through which refraction occurs, तो आप देख रहे हो यहां से यहां तक की जो लेंथ है इसको हम लोग क्या कहेंगे, अपर्चर ऑफ द लेंस। L to L dash ये लेंथ आपको दिख रही है, ये क्या कहलाएगी, अपर्चर ऑफ द लेंस। नाउ सेकेंड इज द ऑप्टिकल सेंटर। O is the optical center. It is the center of the लेंस। ये इस लेंस का सेंट्रल पॉइंट है, सेंटर है ये। ओके। थर्ड वन इज द FOF डैश इज द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस। FOF प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस, principal axis, the line passing through the optical center and is perpendicular to the both curved surfaces is called principal axis. Okay. Now distance between optical center and focus is known as focal length. Fourth one is OF बराबर OF डैश, ये दिस इज फोकल लेंथ। द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन ऑप्टिकल सेंटर एंड focus is called focal length. So one by one, this is the L to L dash is the aperture, total width, effective width through which refraction of the light occurs. The line passing through F, O and F, that is line which is passing through optical center, and this is perpendicular to the spherical surface या curved surface. This will called principal axis. And O is the optical center, and distance between optical center and focus is known as focal length. Okay.